Alright, so it is right now Sunday, January 12th, 2025. It is 8:29 p.m. Eastern Canadian time. It looks like we got a new fountain display here at Complexe Desjardins. For those of you that live in Montreal or have been following my channel since the beginning, back in December of 2015. That's right, turning 10 years old this year, my channel. Then you'll know that this fountain had metallic birds hanging down from the top up until recently. And now it looks like we have these LED lights in these different shapes hanging down. Looks like they're octagons. Alright, let's see this in action here for a bit, and we'll get a view from the glass elevator in a moment. So there you have it. Now that's all computerized, I believe. So let's head up to the glass elevator and take a look from up above here at Complexe Desjardins. Alright, here we go. Let's get a view from the bird's eye perspective. Zoom out a bit here. Pretty cool. Now we'll get a view going down, and we'll wrap up the video. Alright, thanks for watching, everybody.